In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you why and how you can produce crawling text in Capcut PC. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Go under to the text tab, or the third option right here, and then click under add text, click add default text by clicking the plus icon right here. Extend your text how long the video that you want the scrolling or crawling text to be. If you don't know how to get the text that you want to type, let's say we want the text of this video, I'm going to right click and click transcript based editing. And as you can see here, we have the text to the video. We can click and highlight, and then we can create a text template. So we want to choose one and then click add. But in this case, I'm going to produce text from the video by just copying and pasting this to our current default text that we have just created earlier. So click on your text, click Ctrl A and Ctrl V to paste, and make sure that the text is like so there's no space or that there's no gaps. And then if you want to update your text, you can add a shadow under the preset style, however you would like. And then if you want, you can also scroll down and create and click to create a background. You can adjust the height accordingly, then you can click the text and move it down. What you can do as well is you can highlight the text, and you can even make the scale smaller under position and size, so your text becomes smaller. Next step that you want to do is, while still clicking on the text, you want to go to the position and size, and then under position, uniform and scale, click this to add a keyframe. Make sure that you're at the beginning of the text and then go to the very end of the text or your video clip. Go one frame to the left and then click here to add another keyframe. And then now, since your text is still highlighted, click, hold down shift and move your mouse to the left, and repeat this until you get to the end of your text. But this looks good, and so far we go to the beginning of the video. Let's see if this plays out.
In the entire United States, and today, I'm going to be going all over Scottsdale to talk to some of the wealthiest people in the entire city and figure out how they created their wealth and how you can start your path to becoming financially free. In 2024, this for you has wouldn't be insane, you guys, so stay tuned for that.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.